I love to sew, but I'm at the age where my eyesight is not so great. And so having little needle threaders is just a must have. So I bought this kit. It has 24. There are the aluminum shape and the hook. I don't know if you can see that. Whoops. And you've got the thumb or the gourd shape and then the petal shape. And they're perfect for either threading your needle or your sewing machine. Basically, you're going to take your threader, put it right through your needle. Let's see if I can hold this all at once. And then you've got a larger space now to put your thread through. And there we go. Once it's through, you're going to pull it and then pull this and voila, it's threaded. So it also comes in this case and it's something that everyone who sews I think should have.